So here is under my kitchen sink of how it looks now, which you can see it's a mess. I'm gonna take everything out, lay it all out, put it in groups, and also go through things that if it's in the way back and I haven't used it in forever, I'm probably gonna throw it away. So this is everything that I took out, and this is completely emptied. So now what I'm gonna do is scrub the bottom of it, clean it up, make sure everything is clean. And then these are some things that I bought. So I went to Walmart and I have their brand shelf racking. I only bought one long one because I don't have a lot of room underneath my cabinet. And then I did find a second one that's smaller as a folding. I might use it together, or I don't know. I gotta see which one will fit and which one won't. Hopefully I can use both. I did find some of these dish pans. Hold on just a minute, sorry. I did find some of these dish pans at the dollar store for $1 a piece. These folding racks were like 2 for $8 or something like that. And those are the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. And I'm gonna put maybe some chemicals I don't use as often, but maybe put them towards the back. And then I did find this at Walmart for $6. And it is adhesive liner, white. I chose white because I wanted it to look clean. It's very dark under there, to put on the bottom so it won't look so ugly. So give me a minute, we're gonna scrub the bottom. I know it's dark. If I just leave it the length it is, it maybe doesn't cover the back inch. But because this is under a sink and no one's gonna see back there, I think I'm gonna cheat and just leave it the way it is and just cut one long strip and see how long I need to cut that. About 32 inches. I just want you guys to see how easy this is to put. Once you get it in and you cut it to where you want it, and if you mess up a little, it's okay. I grabbed my husband's straight knife, straight blade, however you want to call it, and I just sliced very carefully along the edge to make it better. I happen to have this because I have a big sliding glass door that I use when I clean, and instead of using a credit card for such a big area, I'm using this. I'm peeling back the underliner paper about 2 or 3 inches at a time and just slowly pulling, and it is becoming so easy. You can see that? Now, things that I bought. So for instance, I might do this in the back for things I don't use as often, and maybe this so I can get maybe my chemicals on top that I can reach, some of the taller bottles, and then some other things maybe down below that can go here. So this is my finished product. As you can see, I mean, it's still not great. I don't have a lot of space to work with, but I feel it's more organized. It's clean. I can find everything. I have my wet Swiffers there, my garbage bags, and then obviously my Mr. Cleans and my Brillos are there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you're interested in my channel and want to follow along, please link below.